Hi, I am going to do a quick unboxing and a detailed review about ThiEYE Action camera T5e. So I think this will give you a clear picture. Let's peel the package and explore how the product would be. So this is the remote control. We can connect via Bluetooth to the camera, and this is the external mic which I got. Let's take a camera. So this is the box, and here you can find the specification. Let's open the box. The box goods very premium. You can see the cap for the waterproof case. So this is the glass finish fiber cap. So this is the camera. So the camera which is under the waterproof casing. So we need to open the case. So where is the open? Yes. So there is the open. See, the camera look like awesome. The button, everything is adjusted as such. So let's take the another box. So this box contains the battery, USB charger, and other more stuffs. So this is the battery, 1000 milliampere battery. This is the tape to stick the product, and this is the cloth to clean the lens, and this is the micro USB charger to charge the camera. And then so this is a mount, camera mount, and this is a buckle. I think this is a 360-degree rotation buckle for camera. Yeah, it's nice. So you can fix it wherever you want. That is the screw one. Apart from this, you can find the user manual in the box. Now let's take the camera. This camera looks very nice. Let's open the camera and let's take it out. The quality is very solid. So this contains 60 megapixel shooter, and this is a 170-degree wide angle lens. Let's peel the plastic over the camera. So this contains Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Also it support 64 GB of SD card. And the bottom of the camera contains the battery container and a screw to mount the camera. The front of the camera contains the power button. The top of the camera contains the Wi-Fi button that is also function as a shooter, the camera shutter. So this contains camera. I am going to on the camera now. So so this is the power button. When I click the power button, the camera directly open into video camera mode. Now it is in 1080p mode. For changing the mode, that is video into camera, you need to press this button again. So the Wi-Fi button, see the Wi-Fi button for taking the picture, so let's to start the camera. So this is the mode. So after changing the video camera into picture, so this is the photo mode, and this is the video gallery. So this is the photo gallery. So finally this is the setting. Here there is a navigation button to navigate the setting. So this is the video recording resolution. So I set into 1080p 60p super view, so you can change the settings like this. So these are all the video resolution. So this camera has the electronic image stabilizations up to 1080p. So this camera can shoot 4K video, but not a image stabilizations in 4K video. So these are all the resolution. So these are all the photo size. You can capture the photo from 16 MB to 5 MB. I think up to 3 MB you can capture the photo. So these are all the video quality: super fine, fine, normal. So I have set as a super fine. These are all the photo quality, same thing. So this is a default. This is for setting the default mode. When we switch on the camera, this should be opened as a default mode. So if you set record mode, then the camera will start recording while you switch on the camera. If it is in photo mode, the camera will be in the capture mode while you switch on the camera. So this is quick capture. This is a this is for angle. So normal, narrow, wide. If you set wide angle, the lens will be covered 180 degree. Sorry, I think 170 degree. The lens is the 170 degree angle lens. This is EIS. So see, and this icon indicates the electronic image stabilization. If we switch on the electronic image stabilization, the mode will automatically change to 60p 1080, 60 frame per second and 1080p. And this denotes the memory card free space, and this is the mic, and this is the battery, and this is the time, how many hours the video is recorded. And right now this shows the current timestamp. So this is this icon indicates the mode of the screen. Right now it is in video camera mode, and this is the camera mode. See, you can see the camera icon over here, and this 5M indicates the photo quality. This SF indicates the super fine. that is 5mm indicates the size of the photo, and super fine is the quality. And let's look at the front view of the camera. So when we switch on the camera, the light will be on, and this is for Wi-Fi. So when we switch on the Wi-Fi, and this will keep on. So this is Wi-Fi on as well as the shutter button. Let's navigate into video. Here you can navigate. So this is photo. You can view the photo here, as well as you can delete the photo. The same thing you can do the video profile. See, you can play the video, so you can delete the video. So, and here this is SD card slot, and this is for HDMI, micro HDMI. This is for micro USB, and this is for headphone jack. So here the mic is over here, and here mic is over here. The overall build quality is very good, but the thing is it's heating up after 30 minutes of continuous video record in the 4K mode. And this is the screw. You can mold, or you can screw it with any couplings. And this is for battery. You can release the lock like this, and then you can take the battery. So that's it, and I will shoot some video, and I will put it here, so you can see the sample video as well as the sample picture. So those videos taken in the 4K mode, and those picture also in the 16 megabyte mode, and super fine quality. So let's watch the video. Thanks.